Muy buenos días, me llamo Hugo. Let me welcome you to Spanish Plus Ultra, and this is the introduction video for Spanish Level 1. First of all, let me explain the strategy that we will be taking when approaching Spanish for the first time. Spanish is a phonetic language, which means that every consonant and every vowel will always be pronounced the same way. Unlike English, where words' pronunciation may change drastically by only changing a letter. Let me give you an example. In English, we have words like breathe and breath, with only one letter of difference, and yet their pronunciation is completely changed. In Spanish, this does not happen. In Spanish, we can have words like puerta, huerta, tuerta, and puerto, where the only sound that changes is the one from the letter that has been replaced. In other words, this is the Roman alphabet, the Spanish version. I will be teaching you how to pronounce each individual letter in the Spanish way. I would expect that by learning the sounds, you will be able to pick up a paragraph written in Spanish and read it. Maybe not perfectly, but with the right sounds. And yes, you may not be able to understand a thing of what you're reading, but at least you will be able to reproduce the same sounds. And believe me, that is a big plus. If you're really interested in learning Spanish, consider subscribing. If you like this video, leave a like, and thank you very much for watching. I'm really looking forward to seeing you improve your Spanish skills. Hasta luego.